So now let's see how we can add in blood spray and fire effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the effects section, and then I'm going to expand out the particle and simulation. And over here you can see that blood spray is an option. If I were to go around and add this in, then I got a blood spray effect right here, just like this, as you can see. So I can go around and change around the position of the blood spray, as you can see right here, and I can drag it around wherever I want right here. So you can see that there's particle generation right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is like a spray, as you can see, that comes right here, just like this. So you can go around and change around the start time right here, just like this. So you can go around over here, and let's say the start time is 1 second. Then what happens is that it comes up after 1 second right here. You can go around and change around the duration over here as well, so that there's like a spray right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And you can change around the number of particles over here, just like this as well. So you can see that there's different sections right here. So you can go around, change around the direction, the orientation, as you can see, the spread right here, as you can see right here, the speed as well, and the particle size as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can change around the gravity, you can change around the horizon, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And you can also turn on motion blur right here, and then choose around the type of, let's say for example, blend as well, like normal blend or screen blend and so forth, just like this. If I were to click on none, then it just comes up in blank area, as you can see right here. And this is the blood spray effect, as you can see, just like this. So let me just go around and delete this. And the other effect that we're going to explore is the fire, which is a layer only effect. That means I need a composite shot. So to do that, I'm going to go around and right click and make a composite shot right here and press OK, and I have a composite shot. So now I'm going to go around and click and drag up the fire over here, and then what happens is that you see the fire over here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can expand, and there are a lot of options for this. So you can see that you can go around and change around the channel right here, and then let's say for example blue channel and so forth, and that is what you have. So let me just go around for green channel, and that is where the flame is. Let me just go around and select out full on right here, so that there's burning flame right here. So there's blocking region. You can also go around and take, let's say for example, multiple shots right here. So let me just go around over here. That means I can take multiple shots as layers. So let me just go around over here and bring this in right here, just like this, and then go to effect. And over here what you can do is you can go around onto flammable region, and then let's say for example layers right here as well. Like you can go around and take, let's say, luminance from this layer, and you can see that it takes the alpha channel from that layer as well. Let me just go around and turn it as none right here. Apart from that, you got the burn direction over here, just like this. And then you can take the layer right here, and lightness right here, luminance right here as references like this, and it'll burn it out. So there's different things, like you can change around the seeds, the iterations right here, just like this. You can change around the size of the burn. You can go around and change the pre-start, the flammable end right here, just like this, over here according to how you want, and change around the source scale. And you can change around the variation, you can change around the fill, you can change around the movement over here as well, and change around the source noise, the intensity of the source right here, just like this, over here as well, and reload out the maps right here. So that is what you have. You can go around and change around the center over here, utilize the layer as well, and change around the angle of the wind over here, just like this as well, and then change around the appearance as well, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is the flame that you have right here. So that is how you can work around with the blood spray and fire effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.